Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avit here, and welcome to DevOps Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. And today's interview question is: if instance in AWS VPC can't connect to internet, what are all steps will you take to troubleshoot? So let's say like you have a VPC and you have one instance. It could be in public subnet or it could be private subnet, but it's not able to connect to internet. Okay. So what are the steps you are going to take to troubleshoot? So let's go step by step. So first step, you will be checking internet gateway. If that instance is in a public subnet, so you have to check the internet gateway. So is internet gateway created and attached to the VPC? Only one gateway per VPC is allowed, and internet gateway should be attached and available state. So if you go to internet gateway, it should be shown attached and available state in the VPC. So if it is fine, then you go and check the route table. So check if this entry points to internet gateway 0.0.0/0 route points to internet gateway. So you have to next thing is check the route table. First check the internet gateway, then route table, provided it's in public subnet. Then public IP check. Check instance whether instance having public IP or elastic IP. Then you will check the security group rules, whether outbound all or unneeded port is there or not. If it is you are getting connection issue from outside, like you are not able to initiate connection from internet, then you have to check the inbound connection. So you need to check the security group rules basically. Then you have to check the NACL rule, network access control rule for subnet level firewall. Maybe subnet level firewall is blocking the internet connection. So that you have to check subnet level firewall security group. Okay. Then you check the instance OS config, operating system config, IP tables, if it is like for IP tables or Windows firewall. On Linux, you have IP tables. You have to check IP tables, everything flushed out, or there are no config which is blocking internet access. Ensure correct gateway and DNS are configured. You can use ping NS lookup and dig for basic test. Then you have to check the subnet setting. Definitely, it should be at the beginning actually. Like first step should be subnet, whether it's a public subnet or a private subnet. Based on that, you will be checking internet gateway or NAT gateway. If it is in a private subnet, your instance is on private subnet, you will be checking NAT gateway. Private subnet need NAT gateway instance to access internet. And root table in the root table, you should have 0.0.0/0 point to NAT. And NAT gateway should have elastic IP. Then you have to check VPC settings, DNS resolution, DNS host name, whether they are enabled or not. Fine. And after that, you have to test and validate. You have to ping. You can call google.com or you can run test route. Then you monitor the VPC log, VPC flow log, CloudWatch log. And quick fixes will be reboot the machine, right? Recreate broken security groups or routes. Check the route table and fix it, or security group fix it. Then you can use AWS Reachability Analyzer for guided check. So these are the different steps you will be checking. First, you will check whether it's private or public. Based on the private public, you will check your uh, internet gateway or NAT gateway, they configured or not, 0.0.0 pointing to internet gateway or NAT gateway based on private public IP check if it is on public internet, instance operating system configuration, IP tables, firewalls, NACL NACL and security config. So they are the things they will be checking. Okay. Now let's go to the quiz section. A subnet has no internet access. What would you check first? Let's load balancer, root table, and IGW, EC2. So root table and IGW is the first one we'll check. Right? If it is on public subnet, B root table and IGW. Which AWS feature blocks traffic at the subnet level? Which AWS feature blocks traffic at the subnet level? You know that is the network ACL. Network ACL block traffic at the subnet level. Which tool check if VPC traffic is blocked? VPC traffic is blocked. Which tool or log can help? VPC flow logs. VPC flow logs will help. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also please comment and let me know how you're finding it. And follow Devops Challenge Hub LinkedIn page. I organize quiz and contest daily. You can participate in that. And you can also follow WhatsApp channel, Devops Challenge Hub. I post updates regularly there. And thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.